Tents up. Suwannee River. Time to go open a beer. Is that what you're gonna do? She's gonna catch beer? No. She's not catching beer. I'm catching beer. She's catching fish. So apparently, yeah. Here we are. This is it. This is the test. Oh, I can sit. Oh, yeah. You're gonna catch fish?
Yeah, we're gonna watch you. We can watch it from up here.
Oh, there's that sound. Did you hear that sound? Wasn't that a beautiful sound?
Especially if it's cold.
Yes. Yes, indeed. You should put yours in a cup of ice and... No. Ah. Ah. Trying a Wakula? Heffenweiser? Don't know, but 1% or 7%, I couldn't quite tell. Neither can I tell in the camera. Okay, anyways, it helps support the springs. So I figured, why not support that? Because that's where I'm at. It's a little bit high. There's supposed to be some sort of spring or something. It's supposed to be actually clear. But anyways, it's not. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see the rest of the campsite. Chair, foot, yay! Oh yeah. Beautiful day. After all this rain we've had. There's our tents. I suppose I can get off my tushka and like walk down there or something, huh? Maybe first get this side and then I'll, yeah. It's a mucky, but it's pretty here. Look at, they even give little chairs to sit at. Let's see what we got here. Little trail down. I don't know if you're going to catch much fish with that, but... Oh, you heard a big plop? Oh, good. Is this where I scare you and go, it was a gator? She shook her head. She's like, no. That's pretty. All you found is tadpoles? Oh look, there's a tree. Yum. Where'd she go? Oh, she's in the car. Whoop. Sure is pretty. And we are the only ones at the campground. Ooh, time to flip it. Oh, it must be good.
Yes. It's almost gone.
Are you gonna go catch some more fish? Pretending to catch more fish. Yeah. Call those fishy. Fishy, fishy. Oh, good. What did you get them for a treat? An almond? You think fish like almonds? Uh-huh.
So I decided to use it.
Oh, okay. Sounds nice. We'll go have fun with that. Toasty buns. Let's see how it was looking. Oh yeah, nice squirrel. This one. Just a little bit overdone, but not bad. Still so good. Cause it's all real. Oh yeah. Warm those buns up. Oh yeah. Warm those buns up. You know what? We're gonna go the do not try this at home, kids method. They're perfect. Alright. Get this. Still nicely frozen. And oh yeah, look at that. Oh. Wait. Up. And that lid on it. Slide away from this one. Look at that. Yeah. Try that one up for Nadia. Nadia! Your burger is ready, my dear. Food for the wee one. Aren't you happy? Happy, happy, happy. You don't like boogers?
Burgers.
Oh, good.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I can hear the boat. No, you usually don't hear a kayak like that.
Wait, no, that's the motor.
This is my dinner view. Well, was my dinner view. You're still working on yours, kiddo? Yeah. Coming this way? I can hear it. Oh, just starting to see it now.
Is that from there?
Yeah. And then we'll get some waves. Oh, okay. little tiny modelito especial. The cute little play area. What else do they have here? I mean, you can play there. I'm going to smooch over this way. Tire swing. A boat to play in. Wasn't there some other swings? Oh, right here in front of me. I should move it over to the side. And some swings. Very cool. Over that way, by the RV park, they have swimming pool. That's our campsite, and as you can see, we are still the only ones here. We have canoes you can use, and there is the store in the bingo hall. Some nights they do bingo. It's called Chicken Poo Bingo. Not sure what that building is. I have no idea. All right, I'm coming. What are you, a moose coming at me? Is that the tree that the owl's in? The big one? I was wondering where at. Oh, okay, so down there. So that tree with the double branches. Or, here, look on the camera here. That's where I'm pointing. You're talking about that one right there with the owl? Or is it over? So that's the one with the owl. That tall one there? Yeah. Oh, okay. That's the one that has the owl in it. Okay. An owl swooped down when we were making dinner. And did it catch whatever it was going after? It caught a squirrel. Oh, okay. It caught a squirrel that came from this big fat tree. Should we go over to where the owl was? Or are we going back to the campsite? Some sticks? Oh, okay. You want to go do that? You can. Okay. Let's go see the owl area. But it was one of these two. I don't see it. Let's see. It must have taken off. I know that we heard it a few minutes ago, but it was a big old owl. It was like, oh, you guys are eating your burgers? I'm gonna have me some protein too. We should have tossed some buns out there so it could have a squirrel burger. All right, let's head back to the camp. Oh, you're going to go get sticks. Did you want me to? Is it getting a little dark for you? Oh, okay. Let's see your flashlight. There you go. See? Let's look at it here. So it's one of those headband ones.
It starts with all three, then two, then one.
Nice. And we just put it around her little waist because she's little enough to do that. And that way she can always have a flashlight and her hands free. Look at that. It's pretty cool. She likes having that. Alright, so we just saw it on the ground. It's right in that branch right there. Oh wait, a little bit over. There we go, right there. That's the owl. Let's see if I can zoom in. I know, it's watching us. That's the owl. Unfortunately, you can't really see it very well, but pretty cool. He's watching us like, ooh, there he goes. Woo. Was that cool? He just swooped right over our heads.
I want to see that video now.
I thought we were getting firewood. All right, let's get our wood and bring it back to